What's the meaning of commons? Commons. Commons.
Commons. Commons. The term commons refers to resources that are held in common and managed for the benefit of all members of a community. These resources can include natural resources like air, water and land, as well as cultural and intangible resources like traditions and knowledge. The management of these resources is usually guided by principles of sustainability, equitable access, and community responsibility. The goal of commons management is to ensure that these resources are used in a way that benefits both current and future generations while preserving their value and integrity.